Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a disintegrating video effect on CapCut. So there is an effect for that already, but it only works for pictures, so make sure you video yourself and also take a picture of the background of the video. Hopefully you understand that. Definitely use a tripod so the background will be accurate, but I'm going to be using a white background and just a green screen overlay. So select overlay, and add in the video. If your video is not a green screen, just press remove background here, but I'm going to use the chroma key option right here, like so. And then after that, I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller like that. And then I am going to press overlay again, add overlay, and add in this green screen. I will have it linked to you later on. So let's just put it over here. Okay, I'm just going to again then select chroma key, select the green bit, and adjust the intensity and the shadow. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust like where the feet is. And then, okay, the video is a little bit too tall, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. We have to adjust the overlay first, and then later we'll, okay, there you go. Okay, next we are going to add a keyframe where like it'll start disintegrating. So have it around here, add a keyframe here, and also another one around here. So on the first keyframe, we are going to select mask, where is it? Mask, and select split, and put it like at the bottom of the feet, and have it like the arrow, like move it a little bit downwards like so. And then at the end of the keyframe, you want to move the like mask from there to up here, so the body disappears like so. And that's pretty much it. This is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!